Welcome to Tecno Tutor TV. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to sign in to YouTube TV on your smart TV or streaming device. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube TV app on your TV. Make sure you select the specific YouTube TV icon and not the regular YouTube app. Once the app is open, scroll up and select Member Sign In from the menu. A sign-in code will appear on your TV. Now, grab your phone or computer and open a web browser. In your browser, go to tv.youtube.com/start. This is where you'll activate your device. Enter the letters shown on your TV exactly as they appear. You don't need to include any dashes. Select your Google account and then tap Allow to grant permission for the app to sign in. Your TV will automatically refresh, and that's it. You're signed in and ready to start streaming your favorite shows. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Tecno Tutor TV for more easy and quick tech tutorials. See you in the next one.